that revhard. Welcome peeps, welcome back to the vlog. So yo, Leonell car wash in my community name Paddy's car wash, so I get a undercarriage watch because I'm gonna do some work on the machine, you see me? But change the axis here. So show know where I'm going, you know? To wash because axle seal mess up the whole of my car. So see there? Yeah, this one. So I'm gonna deal with it today by seal and everything. So just gonna clean up back on the car and make sure that everything good because oil, if you leave the oil on the car, they're gonna need a bush in them and they don't want that. So yeah, that I plan for today's vlog. Yeah, see, roughly I'm sure now I'm going since we finishing. Two and a half straight out. So the before the wash, I'll show you after. Then, say it. Alright peeps, so this is the after wash. Looking good. Seeing curves I haven't seen before. Ooh. Yeah, babes. Clean and nice. But deal with the seal now. Alright peeps, so I'm box off the wheel now. You see me? Loosen up everything. So I pull the stabilizer bar, so I'm going to change the stabilizer bar. Yeah, so we just pull off this and then we use one pry bar and pry out and catch the oil. And then we're nice, you see me? Make sure you pull them all giant, you see me? We're gonna get to work, we're getting there, slowly but surely, you know? Yeah, they want to do it. I do a different vlog. I change the color thing. One thing about red. I change in the red. Red of a bus. Chips, chicken and chicken and our peeps, we are hungry then. I go pour this out here. Yeah,
trimming machine. Yeah. Trimming machine. Shots. Trimming machine. I learned something new, Papa. I got it. I look for. Where man? You didn't know, can you tell me already? So that thing I have to do. Can't find it. See how to make it tighter? Yeah. I hit the one and spin, you know. Yeah. See that? See, now this thing is on the other. If you can run a test.
You're mad, me them a talk about it.
In a hot, brother. You don't do that. In a hot, dog.
Like your nose virginity.
You do it. Wrong part. Sound like an allergy, bro. Yeah. In a hot, brother. Touch it.
When it's more than necessary.
Brother, when you feel like I open on the head, it go. Right down on your tongue, brother. And the most so.
You want to eat rice?
Fire! Fire! Fire for your dog! You burn up! You burn up! See all of this, you buy one. Alright, good man. Going. You can't buy nothing, ball. Yes, if I win the hook, let's go. Huh? Want to walk one there? Come on, give me a walk, man. I'm changing up to see that again. Let me second on the change. Which is all the children. Alright, so the seal is in, peeps. Sealing and everything. So all me have to do now, to back the ball joint. And we're good for now. And remember, you have to put him at the island and the gearbox. So that we got the right now. So I pull that nut right there, so I'm throwing the oil. Piece reverse switcher. Yeah man. This is which way the oil through.
Yeah, boy!
Yeah man, peep, you see no? You have a fast can work on it and you have to look like this, you know. See me? Anyways, we have changed the stabilizer bar rubber, so change them already. Pull this, and box them out. See me? Just tighten it, left it tighten up. See the old one, done. Done. So, I'm have left to do now. Adjust. Tighten up. Good. I'll go and peep, yo. I don't mind the dirty car, you know. Hope I in the car last night. I'm going to wake up and start on funny stuff. This is a problem, you know. The girls fingernail them. What do you do them? See them? I just see them. Yeah, see them. I want to do over, you know. Don't look so hot. See them now. not so bad, but not change the color. And the bad boy papa there, you know.
There.
Now spray man, you know, what's this? One side down from the black beast already. One side, you see? Red and gold. And go good together. Not true, sir? Red and gold always go good together.
Always gold and red.
Yeah, man.
It's red and gold.
Yeah, man, we started a project, cleanup project on the ZZ too. So we are spraying manifold,
Yeah, Papa.
intake manifold and valve cover. Looking good, looking good. Right, now start one the living now. So all I know, I want to spray now. Calipers them, I'm showing you sweeps. I have to make sure I use heat resistant spray. Very important. When I use heat resistant spray, I go strip. Alright. I know people, so I'm gonna need sandpaper and water. I'm gonna wash it down and then just rub them off clean. And if you can't get them off, you chip off, we chip them off. You see me? Simple, 1 3. Now get a little bucket of water. If you can get something like a screwdriver, like pick them off, make your life easier when you start using sandpaper. Yeah man, peeps, see there? Max speeding rods. Aye, without dampers. So we know about coilovers. I know that when you have coilovers without dampers, you know how you go. Rough. But me I tell you, the car not sweet. Any car you put in, it stay there. Yeah man. So watch your flip now. We're gonna start the cleanup process. Alright peeps, so I'm going to go and strip off the heavy paint. Alright peeps, see it now? How you look? I love the red. Bright and nice. So this is the first side, the left side. Red and pretty. Just have to make it go and dry now. Then just drop on the rim them. Oh yeah, I'm gonna wash out the inside and rim them because I'm slacking off like every other week. Me so pull off rim them and clean them out. So like when I pull off now, that's the one thing I'm done. Use one stone, kill 2 birds. Alright now peeps, so clean up the rims them. Remember we're in black. Pretty. Like money. Yep peeps, 0 offset. 15 by 8. Wrap with some Maxis Z series into the bad. Show them on now. See the peeps are just complete the right side, so just go fit up the now, see look. Clean up next side arms then. Clean and nice. Alright peeps, so this is the finished product, end product. Good. Loving you look. So drive look more. Rub off this feeling properly. Love it. Love this. Down in the rub off good it. By driving and driving, you rub off.
So what I love with them.
RPs, me know, so I look forward to the finishing touch for the Z, you know. See it here. Looking good. Love red and black, oh gosh. Nice. So good. Red card. Nice. Nation! Come on, be a bad machine like him. Be a bad machine. Big bad M! That one is nice. Be a bad machine like him. Feature all the machine them are rolling today. All of them. Nice. All the 4091 in there. Teacher boy. Sunset nice. Peeps, we have one more. Mad living and coming in camping. One more mad on your way, but 20 valve badness here.
The handset good. Voilà. Don't worry. Wait. Go right.
Yo! No shut off him, man. No shut off him, man. No shut off him. The vlog, who want hear it? Who want hear it, man? Blood clear. Who want hear it, you know, sir? Who want hear it? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself on the vlog. Alright, sir. Who want hear it, man? Yeah. It's a club sweet. That's it. Now remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember, hit that like button and drop at least 3 comments. Big up on yourself.